Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video, I would like to show you how we can use the cd command and some options. So, cd command stands for change directory command. So, the first thing we have to do, so now I want to print my working directory. So now I'm working under the /home/ec2-user. So to move or to change from this current directory to another directory, for example, /etc/python like this, I want to just to add the cd command /etc/python, and now I have changed the directory. So by using cd, I can change the directory. So now I'm under /etc/python. So another thing we have to know about cd command that we can change directory by using absolute path or relative path. So the first example by using absolute path. So and now I want to return to the /home/ec2-user home. So and now if I want to go again to the /etc/python, if I put like this /etc/python, this when I start my command with /the root, so I'm using the absolute path. So like this, I'm under now I'm under /etc/python. So absolute path means so when I'm using the slash in the beginning of my directory. Another thing we have to do, if I return to my /home/ec2-user, if I want to go to the /etc/python by using the relative path, so I can do this cd/etc, and now I'm under /etc. I want to type ls to list all the content of the etc directory, and here I can see the Python directory. So instead by using the absolute path /etc/python, I can use now only Python without slash like this. So Python like this called the relative path. So if I press enter, so now I'm under /python/etc/python. So another command by using option minus or cd minus like this. When I put minus or dash like an option, I want to switch back to previous directory where I'm working earlier. So like this. So earlier I was working under /etc. So by using cd minus, I can switch back to the previous directory. Another example, so if I go to the home ec2-user, and now again cd minus like this, so cd minus switch back to the previous directory where I'm working earlier. Another option, see by using cd minus point like this. cd point we can use it to change current directory to the parent directory. So now I'm under the etc. So the parent directory of the etc is the slash. So if I type enter now, like this, so and pwd to print my working directory. So now I'm under the parent directory of the etc directory. So the parent directory of the etc is the slash. If I go to the etc Python, in this case, if I type the command cd ... the parent directory in this case is the etc because I'm under Python. So the double point here will move me to the parent directory. In this case is the etc. So like this. So here you are. I'm now under the parent directory slash etc. So to show last working directory from where we moved, I can use cd minus minus. So by using cd minus minus, I can print or display the last working repository or directory from where I moved. Another example, to move to my user home directory from anywhere. For example, if I'm under etc under Python. So now I'm under slash etc slash Python. If I want to go to my user home directory, I can type the cd command with no option. And now I'm under my user home directory slash home slash ec2 minus user. So another example or another option to go to my user home directory is using cd and with the tilde like this. So cd with tilde move me under my to the user home directory. Another example or another option. So here I'm under slash etc slash Python again. I can type cd $, and the variable environment home like this. And this option allows me to move to the user home directory. So I'm again under slash home slash ec2 minus user. If I type cd point like this, I can change working directory to current working directory. So it's not important here, but in the script maybe it will be important. So by using cd point, so here I am under slash home slash ec2 minus user, so I'm under the user home directory. If I use cd point like this, I can change the working directory repository to the current working directory. So I'm under slash home slash ec2 minus user. So we can use also the tabulation. So if I type cd et like this, if I use the tabulation or tab like this, I can complete the command like this. If I use Python, just pyt, and I press the tab or tabulation like this, I can also complete the command. And the last thing I want to show you how we can, for example, how I can change from a directory to another directory in one line command by moving up in that directory till slash then using absolute path. So here I'm under, I prepare a directory and subdirectories like this. So now if I print my working directory like this, pwd, so and then I press enter. we can see that I'm now under slash home slash toto2 slash toto4 slash toto6. So now I have, or I want to use this directory to change it to, or to go or to move to the slash etc slash python in one line command by moving up in the directory till slash, then using the all path or the absolute path. So what can I do? I can use, for example, cd point slash 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 etc slash python. So I'm here under toto6. When I'm using the first 2 points is to go to the parent directory. So the parent directory of the toto6 is toto4. Then I'm using another 2 points to go to the parent directory of toto4. So to go here. Then another 2 points to go to the parent directory here. Then another 2 points to go to the parent directory of Toto. It will be the home directory. Then the last 2 points here to go to the parent directory of home. It will be the slash. So here I'm under slash. Then I put the absolute path slash etc slash python. So I press enter to verify this. So here we are, pwd to print the working directory. So I'm under slash etc slash python by using one line command by moving up in the directory till slash, then using the absolute path. So that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.